fuck it. Hoekom ons begin met 'n bult? Ek gaan nie eers julle liggie. Ranasharia is the thing. I's fucking kicking in. Besties, look who's coming on a run with me today.
Yes, girl.
Here for the first time in Don't Walk Over the Piss. We're going outside a little bit today because apparently my wife said it's not that hot. Ek moet maar deal met die humidity, sê sy. Asma pompie. We're reaching 30. It's stretch time. Hier maar die kinders gil. Ready to go? Rol hy enkeltjie. Rol hom. I just told my wife, my bene voel soos gunsakke. So sy sê soos wat? Vet. Fucking ferry langs my. Holly is diep asemie. En nog nie 1 kilo nie. Fuck. Al wat ek sê is nog die frakkie. En ons is by 1 kilometer. Kyk al. Die girl sop al vir 'n slukkie water. Vrou. Oeh. Kykie, alles skit. Die tiete, die holle. Die cellulite, ou. Hier kom my girl. Kyk hoe mooi is sy. Sy sê ek is mooi. Dis nou aftrond. Hierdie is eintlik fokol. Dit gaan nou fucking opgaan, ouens. Lig soos 'n veer agter. I'm doing it for the big girls in the front, baby. Go Mick, go Mick, go Mick, go Mick, go Mick, go Mick, go Mick. Get him glow, 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 get him glow. 2 kilometer. We stopped for a water stop. It's all about authenticity, nee. Hierdie bultjie. Sy kan nog gaan, maar die girl struggle bus. Struggle bus. Ons moet nog daar op gaan. Fuck. Ranasharia is the thing. I's fucking kicking in. That's 3K, baby! Yo, 3K outside and 3K on the treadmill. Not the same thing. Don't let it fool you.